Hey YouTube, welcome back to Style with Nina. I am continuing the series titled 12 Days of Luxury. Today we are on, I believe today is day 8 of 12 Days of Luxury. New outfit. The first 7 days was taped, of course, in one setting, and then the last few are going to be taped in this setting. I hope you're enjoying the series, you guys. I just wanted to do something, that was a little different than what I have been saying on the YouTube. We all know that there's nothing new under the sun. However, I have not seen the 12 Days of Luxury done in this manner. So this is something that I probably will continue on each year. So this is going to be my spin on the 12 days of Christmas. So stay tuned. Today we're going to get into that's a little better. Hopefully you guys can't see what's going on in the back. If you can, it is what it is. But so like I was saying, today is going to be day 8 of the 12 days of luxury, and I'm going to bring you something a little different. It's going to be basically makeup items that I purchased. And if you have been following my first 7 videos, then you know that the reason why I started this 12 days of luxury is because I had a lot of unboxings that I just did not get around to. And so I felt like this would be a great way to get around to the things that I've been shopping and putting to the side, waiting until I had time to shoot a YouTube. So here goes. No more rambling. I'm going to keep the video short. I love that they have been under 12 minutes. So we're going to keep that going. So this is, I hope you guys can see it, a huge Sephora box. So I ordered some items from Sephora. I think a couple of these items may not be Sephora, but the majority of everything that's in here is from Sephora. I believe when they had their sale is when I got this. So it's been a minute, a month, I don't know, some weeks to a month. So I'm gonna jump right in. Actually, I think this piece right here, if you can see it, is actually from MAC. So I believe I got this from Macy's. So all of this was done probably after Thanksgiving, I'm thinking, when they were having those type of sales. So this is the MAC. Okay. I'm dropping everything, y'all. Okay. So this one is the MAC. It's called the Snowball Lip Kit in Warm. I feel like my camera is too far, so I don't know if you guys can see it. If I can find a picture, I will insert it here. But it's just 4 lipsticks. The reviews on this was all over the place, so we're gonna see. I believe this whole kit was like $25, and y'all know each MAC lipstick is way more than that. So I thought I'd take a chance and get it. Then I also got, MAC was having a sale on their eyeliners. So I got a 5-pack of eyeliners. And I don't remember how much they were. So that's that. Can y'all see me? Let's see if I can move the... I don't know what to do. It's like if I move it up, then... Hopefully y'all can see this. I'm going to try to insert pictures of everything. Okay, so now we're actually at Sephora. So, been wanting this kit for forever. It is from Kat Von D. I hope I didn't add this. Did I add this into something? If this is a duplicate item that you've seen in the previous video, forgive me. I don't think so, but I can't remember. That's how much stuff I had to the side. So anyway, this is the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner eyeshadow palette. Let me open it up real quick. It takes forever to do this. So I have heard rave reviews on this kit. Look at that. It's kind of weird looking. It looks like, I guess, a coffin, I would say. You open it up and it has all of these beautiful, I'm trying not to drop it, beautiful shadows. So can't wait to use this bad boy. I've had it in this box for a minute. Makes no sense that I did that. Okay, the next thing I got was Sephora was having these sales on the lip palettes. So I have the Anastasia Lip Palette Volume 1. And then I got the Urban Decay Metal Meets Matte. I hope you guys can see this. I feel like my camera is way too far. So hey, we shall see. So I got these two. They were both, I know, probably around $20 to $25. That's why I got them. And then I've been wanting this bad boy for forever. So I was glad I was able to get this on sale. And I can't remember how much I paid for it. But this is the Stila Eye for Elegance. It's the liquid eyeshadow palette that I've been hearing so many good reviews on. So I got that. It's white, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see that well. Then I get this another Urban Decay lipstick, you guys. And I'm weird. You'll notice on my channel, I may have on, who knows. I'm a creative. That's the field I'm in. So yeah, so I got this Urban Decay. It is actually called Junkie. It is a metallic green lipstick. So let me see if I can open this up and if you can even see this. So it is a beautiful green. Let me just walk over to the camera. So it's a beautiful green lipstick, you guys. I'm trying to focus in on that. So this is something I would wear date night if I got on all black. You know, when you have on a bold lip, I usually don't do too much with my eye. That's just me. There are no rules. So I got that one. And that green is so pretty because it's almost the black. So that's how you can kind of get around the weird lipstick colors. Then I got another one called Voodoo. And this one is a deep, deep, deep purple, you guys. Y'all see that? So would wear this one the same way, you guys. I would, it's kind of like a night out type of color. Okay. I believe both of these were like on sale for $15. So if you think about it, both of these lipsticks were $15, I'm gonna say. This whole palette from Urban Decay was $20 to $25. So that's why I went on and got the palette. Okay. Then I got this. Now this actually came from Ulta, and it is the Pure Eye Polish, which is comparable to the Stila. So I wanted to try this one out to kind of do a comparison video, which will be coming to you guys soon. This one didn't have the best reviews, so we're gonna see. So yeah, I got those two. Then got this cute little, I feel like I got this last year. Keep saying but it's a buxom. You put it on the tree type of thing. I should have got 3 of them because I got 3 girls. So if I can find this, I'm gonna go get another one. The color is, I can't open it because it's, oh, can I open it without it being known that okay, so it's still sealed, so I don't know what color this is, but I just got this to put on the tree. Then I got this pretty shimmer lip gloss that was on clearance for $3.99. And then let's get to the goodies, you guys. So I have been wanting, y'all know how I feel about Moschino and Jeremy Scott. So this is something that is always, it's either on their site sold out, on their site sold out. So I was able to randomly, I just searched for this and it was actually on their site, Sephora. And it is the Moschino Bare Lip Gloss chain. So it's a chain, and then it has these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mini lip glosses. And I can't remember how much I paid for this. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't forget. There's something else I want that keeps getting sold out, but it's actually the eyeshadow that goes with this. So if you guys see this anywhere, I want the eyeshadow to go with it. So yeah, I got that. Then I got the Moschino Bare Highlighter, which is also a limited edition item. Somebody's calling me, I'm gonna have to get back to it. Then I get this Moschino, making me lose my train of thought. I got the Moschino Sephora eyeshadow palette. So what I really want is the Moschino Bare one. So this, none of this has been opened. So then that's it. So then I just got this Sephora moisturizing shower oil. No biggie. So yeah, this one was a little different. I don't know if you want to say this is quotation marks luxury, but we all know that it's not dollar store makeup. So we're gonna throw this into the 12 days or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I am not too far. I may have to do some adjustments, but bear with me. Thank you all for watching. I love you guys. Until next time, stay stylish and stay fabulous. Mwah.